Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BJ Tech News, and I'm happy that you guys are here learning and soaking all this information that I'm providing you. So I think on the last two videos I showed you guys how to get yourself up and running with System Center 2012 Configuration Manager component add-ons and extensions, and I think I just showed you how to install it, how to get it installed, real straightforward. On another video I'll show you guys how to get the PTV set up 32 or 64-bit, depending on what architectural platform you're working with. If you're working on 86, get the 32. If you're working on a 64-bit, get the 64. Got it? So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the VHD capture tool. Now, there's two flavors in this, the way that you could use it. You could use it by command prompt, which I'm going to show you today. And another way is they provide you a nice little wizard, which is cool. That's a later video. So let's get started. Now, I have a Windows 7 86 bit machine, and I want you, before I even start, make sure you're using the right OS for these tools. I had a lot of problems in the past. I was doing Windows Server 2008 testing on these tools, and it was not working. At the very bottom, it tells you system requirements, Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 R2. I'm going to say it again, Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2. Those are the only two OSs that this is going to work properly. Trust me. If you go to my blog, I actually blogged about this, about the error that I received and how I fixed it. Okay? Real simple fix. That's why you got to read your instructions before you even start these things. So, I created this virtual machine, Windows 7, 86-bit. I downloaded the .NET 4.0 framework. All these links, I'm going to provide them right in the bottom of this video at the description area. I downloaded and installed the PTV setup 32-bit. And make sure the machine that you're using this tool has to have SCCM 2007 or SCCM 2012, the configuration console. You only need the console. You don't really need the entire suite of SCCM for this to work. You just need the console. But I think you still need to have a live FCCM in your environment, because when you're installing a console into a machine, it does ask you to put the SCCM machine. Okay, so I'm going to start is I'm going to go to start, go to run, and I'm going to do a CMD, and I'm going to run as an administrator. Okay, I'm going to do a CD /, and I'm going to clear this bad boy up, and I'm going to go to computer, C drive, program files, configuration manager, PTV, migration tools, bin. Once you get to the bin, depending on what you're doing, if you have a machine that's 64 or 86, pick the right one. Okay, guys, I'm going to go to 86 because that's what I've been using. VHD tools is what I will be showing you. So I'm going to copy that, exit out, and I'm going to paste. Actually, I made a mistake. Let me go all the way to the beginning and do a CD, and there we go, and clear that out. Now, before I even started this video, I actually created a share in my DC, my domain controller. Not best practice to create a share in your domain controller, but I have a D drive with VHD, and this is where I'm going to drop my capture stuff. Like right now, it's blank, so no smoke and mirrors. Okay, this is blank, and I'm going to show you how to run this tool, and it's going to pop up. So let's go into my Windows 7, and let's capture. So we're going to do a vhdcapture and / question mark. The only reason that I'm doing a / question mark is, as always, best practice to do a / question mark because to see what the command does, what are the attributes, what are the parameters on using this tool. One of the tools that I like is vhdcapture, and it's list. It gives you a list of all the partitions that you have. Now I only have one partition that's 0. By default, the C drive is always 0. Okay, so that's what I want to capture. I want to capture disk 0. So let me clear this out and let's begin. So it's going to be VHD capture. We're going to use the parameter of capture. It's going to be save capital P path. Now the path, I don't know. I tried using a path locally and it was not working. I was getting an error of 665. That's why I had to create a share. So I'm going to do my share BJDC1, and it's VHD. Real simple. Space dash disk. Now colon. Now this is the section that you tell it which disk you want to capture. I want to capture 0. If you have like a D drive or E drive, most likely they're disk 1, disk 2, and that's where you tell it I want to capture disk 1 or disk 2. You hit enter. Oh, made a mistake. Did I miss anything? Let me check. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? BJ-DC1 VHD dash. Just checking out my notes. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing the capture. Yeah, doing the command. Command is out of the captures. So what's going on? Oh, I know what I did, guys. Ha ha! Oh man, see when you do little silly things. So let's do this again. Let me clear this out. And VHD capture parameter. The save, I forgot to put that dash. You gotta put that dash, boy. DC1 / VHD dash disk, and I want to capture the 0. Hit enter, and there you go. It's running the capture. That's awesome. By default, it's gonna call it disk0.vhd, and as you can see, it's capturing the partitions right now at 100%. Now, if I go into my DC and go inside that folder, there goes my VHD. It's capturing this virtual machine into a virtual hard disk. Pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. I think on the next, not an episode, video. I think on the next video I'm going to show you guys how to use the wizard. The wizard is very self-explanatory. Don't really need to mess around with command prompts. And then on future videos I'm going to show you how to use the prep tool and another tool that VHD deals with. So please give me thumbs up. Please comment below if you have any questions, and I catch you guys later. Peace out.